I probably should turn that in for grade. Well, you know, going with them cereal boxes right there is color scheme, you know. I was going to go with browns. I was thinking, I done been painting blue all evening. I'll leave a comment. I tell you something about painting outside of the lines. You know, painted some stuff in the past, and I found out this right here works really, really good. When you're painting something, the first color should be on the light side for it to work best. But you just paint outside of the line. Reasoning behind that is the color that this backboard will be, what color, when I paint that, I can bring the brush in here and just come down with that scallop right there and fill in that little line there as I come around through there. And that way I don't have no gap. If you try to paint one color there and one color here, you have a little gap between there. This way you have a sealed surface. So painting outside the line was with intent. Just saying. Yeah. And we'll put some blue right down there later on. Oh yeah. A usual evening here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Airplane overhead, been raining for a while. You know, just saying. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And we get that other side now. And we get that engine on that wagon right there. That's that hit-and-miss engine right there, modified from a throttle governor, 1.5 horsepower, international, early model. Runs backwards, updraft carburetor. I put on this Circus Wagon right here. Just saying.